Hari Om Sarvebhyaha. Simple Sanskritam by Surya. Today I am going to tell you a few sentences that we use frequently in our daily conversations. If anybody comes to our house in the beginning, what we say? Come in, we say. For come in, antaha agachantu. Antaha agachantu. Anantaram upavishantu. For sit down, upavishantu. If we use krupaya, it is a request. Krupaya upavishantu. Even otherwise we can say upavishantu. In our tone itself we can express our request. And then sit there. Tatra upavishatu. Sit there. Tatra upavishatu. Put it there. Put it there. Tatra sthapayatu. Tatra sthapayatu. Put it here means atra sthapayatu. Atra sthapayatu. Put it means sthapayatu. Eat fast. Eat fast. Sighram khadatu. Sighram khadatu. Tell me in the evening. Sayankale vadatu. Sayankale vadatu. Anantaram speak loudly. Uchchaihi vadatu. Speak loudly. Uchchaihi vadatu. Tell again. Punaha vadatu. Tell again. Punaha vadatu. Look there. Tatra pashyatu. Look there. Tatra pashyatu. Show me. Darshayatu. Show me means darshayatu. Then ask me. Ask me. Mam pruchatu. Mam pruchatu. Then suppose when we are going out, we have to tell our people get in or get down. For that get in, arohatu, get in, get into the car. Yane arohatu. Yane arohatu. Get down. Avarohatu. Avarohatu. Arohatu. Avarohatu. These are a few sentences you can remember well. Once again I will repeat in Sanskritam only. Antaha agachantu. Antaha agachantu. Tatra upavishantu. Tatra upavishantu. Atra upavishantu. Atra upavishantu. Anantaram Sighram khadatu. Sighram khadatu. Quickly. Sighram means quick. Sighram khadatu. Sayankale vadatu. Evening. Sayankale means evening. Sayankale vadatu. Tell me in the evening. Anantaram Uchchaihi vadatu. Say it loudly. Speak loudly. Uchchaihi vadatu. Shanaihi vadatu. Slowly. Speak slowly. Sanaihi vadatu. Anantaram Punaha vadatu. Punaha vadatu. Punaha. Tatra pashyatu. Pashyatu. Tatra pashyatu. Look there. Anantaram Mam pruchatu. Mam pruchatu. You ask me. Mam pruchatu. Arohatu. Avarohatu. So these sentences, you please remember them and you please say it loudly, speak out, and then you can get it into the mind. And you can also easily speak Sanskritam. Idanimaham samapayami. Punarmilamaha. Jayatu Bharatam. Jayatu Sanskritam.